Hey guys, welcome back and a warm welcome on my channel TADA-DADA Art Club and especially on the 100 days of sketching challenge. Yes guys, so this is the 41st day of my sketching challenge and today we're gonna do the sketching on the birds and that is also a crow. So let's go and see how and what reference we have. Yes, so welcome back and this is Vijay here. I regularly share a lot of drawing and sketching tips on this channel and today is the 41st day of my challenge and yes, we're gonna do the sketching on bird that is a crow. So guys, before start I would request you, if you are new for my channel, please subscribe my channel and press notification bell icon so you will get all the updates about upcoming videos and events. So guys, this is the one of the bird which found everywhere, as I said yesterday also in the yesterday sketching. It's a fantastically nice sketch came out yesterday and today also we're gonna do, but the crow is more in action in today's sketching. So let's go to the board and see what references we have and we can follow those references and make the today's sketching. Yes guys, so this is what the flying crow, actually it's are in action to catch something or pick something or fight something. So that is how I can see here. Yes, we can start the sketching. So most of this what I can see is here the line of action or the curve, so which is very subtle way. If you can start from the beak, so something like this way the entire body curve is. So if I start with the head here, so we did yesterday study about, it's like sort of oval kind of shape is there and near the eyes something like this, the eyes socket and all, and the beak is also so yesterday we did the proper sketch of head, so it's quite helping me to make this today's sketch. And though I can't see some of the details in the reference, but yes, the yesterday's sketch is helping me. Yesterday's study actually is helping me. So yes, that's the eyes, that is the thing. But before going into the detail, I just want to see that this is the structure, this is the entire body curve. So these are the roundity what I can see in the body. And after that I can see the dimension of this. So this is a little thickness, then again in this perspective, plus these are the lines. I can see the dimension wise. something there. Again, this direction wise also, this angle is again, so you have to observe those angles properly, keenly you have to see the things. And as I can say, this dimension, so this is the contour or is the chest part, so you can define that the in which angle that crow's body is, and that will also help to make the legs, so where they attach and how they attach can be defined with these. And after that there is the wings. Definitely is more important role playing in this, which is the wings. So which is starting from here. Again, it helped me to, if this is a 3/4, so I can understand where the wing will be the attached. So this is basic structure, I can say, and in that also this is the breakup. So you can observe till the here this wing has some thickness, and after this the feather part start, and here also you can see a little curve wise the feather are. So in this curved direction only all the feathers are attached and they are overlap on each other. But this outer form you have to keep in the mind, so it helps you to set the all feathers and how it. So that way it is there, and again from this bone basically these feathers are coming. So these are the long feathers. And this area is also interesting, so in this direction it is all going, and again the back side of feather, that is also a very interesting and quite sprayed. and it has a dimension of this way it is flatten of this, so till the here it is bend and again tilted that side, and from here I can see the feathers line something like this. So the upper side also there is something interesting pattern you can see here. The overlapping of the wings I can say. And third one is the actual, so I think it is getting cut little bit, but that's fine. So these are overlapping lines, so you have to be very particular how that they are overlapping. And the crow is in action, so it's trying to catch something. So important thing is about these legs. So they are, as I said, they are attached here. It's a bony part and it's a claw. And the second legs again here, and you can see cross check and see here. So this one is quite in action. So yes, and yeah, it's most of the time you can't see all the fingers, so you have to follow the reference exactly. And here the feathers bend, you can see, and yeah, on these legs also there is quite of hairs are there, and yes, of course the feathers here. Yeah, so that is how the line of action is there in this picture. Yes, so that is the sketch of a crow in action, and I'll just make the black outlines for the more little clarity. So as I said that this is the overlapping lines, so you have to be careful which line exactly will overlap. Here also there is this overlapping line is there, and this is in the foreground. So that is how the outline also I done, and do some of the part of shading. So this wing has a quite light shades. Here it is getting darker. Again, this is quite dark. Specifically, this area is can't see much. And this also, to get some dimension, you can just darken some of the portion. But yes, overall there is the dark patch until unless these areas are little softened, and but darker than this definitely. And here, yes, see the darker portion. So overall I'll just give the light or middle tone, I can say, and after that I can just make some of the area dark which I want. So while shading also you have to keep in the mind that you have to go lighter to dark, or you can start with the mid tone and then you can go for the darker tone and the light tone. So I'm just marking this area which has to be a darker, and rest of the area will be lighter. So here it will be again darker. And the mid body is lighter shade. And yes, definitely this will be the darker. Thus this portion is completely dark, and as per the back side also, as a back leg also we should make little more darker. And yes, this is the again the area which has the tail area, which is again became a more darker. In that also the specific area can show the shade and lights. But yes, this is the specific wing which is quite darker, and here also there is dark tones. Yes, now it's looking much better. It's getting crow feel. So this way we captured the line of action what I explained. This is the entire line of action is there, and a wings flow angle that we have to cross check. Even you can see the negative space, all the negative space you can check and see if your drawing is perfectly came out or not. So that is how you can actually correct yourself or go to the closest of the reference. So if you want to understand more this thing about this, so basically we did, this is the one of the shape. Then over that we attached the oval which is in this direction, and that is the neck. Again here we attach the cone or triangular, what you can say, and here again is the another shape, a dimension wise. Here also the wings also has this dimension of this, and that there is attached the feathers. So this is the breakup of basic structure of the crow or whatever the reference we took. So we should able to see those basic forms into that, what is the angle is there, and you have to follow those things. So yes guys, that was the sketch for today. We did the crow sketching, and that is also flying, or you can say in the action mode. So it's very nicely we did this sketching. We understand the internal structure of some of the parts, and we followed nicely the reference. So I hope you also liked it, and if you liked it, please press the like button, share with your friends, and definitely you can subscribe my channel and press notification bell icon too, so you will get all the updates about upcoming videos and the events. So guys, that was for the today. We'll meet you tomorrow again with the more sketching sessions, and we're gonna continue with the bird. So let's meet tomorrow. Till the time, you guys also keep practicing, keep watching my videos and sharing my videos, and please keep smiling too.